Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set while hovering option or while hovering animation in your website button. Our output look like this. So this will be our output when our cursor we are hovering in a button over a button, then our animation look like this. And here is this. So for this uh, I take this design for our practicing purpose. So I start the whole process from beginning. That's why I delete this. So I just delete. Okay, I just delete these things. So we need purchase, or what we need just for remembering purpose. Okay, we need purchase now and learn more. So in that case we need a button, so I'm just making a button purchase now, and it's 16 pixel font size, and font name is Inter, and weight is medium. So we make this as auto layout. So shift A for auto layout, and we need 16 white and 12. Okay, if we give it a stroke, then our task will be easy. Okay, we need more height and width. So for this I need, okay, it will be maybe 32. Okay, 32 will be huge. 62, and this is 16. Okay, I think uh this will be good. Okay, so we need change the color. So I'm changing the color, and here's another color. Okay, I just changed the color. So okay, so I'm just deleting it. Okay, after make this button, we need create variant. So that's why I create variant, and after that we have to add variant for our another button, like a fill option. This is outline button, and this is fill button. So we have to change the color for this white, and we think this will be fill. So I think, okay, sorry, this will not be white, this will be green. Okay, so that's all our button, and we need another button, that is learn more. Learn more, and this will be also learn more. Learn more. Okay, right, and now we need to work in prototype. So when the user hovering their cursor this area, then this will be come. So we need to add this button between them, and after that this will be while hovering options, and here in dissolve you have to select the dissolve options, and after that you have to click slow options, and also you have to add this button while hovering, and you have to select dissolve options. And now if you, okay, I'm just reduce the size or zoom out. Okay, now you have to add this button in your design like this, and you have to add this button like this. So I think 32 pixel space is good. So I am just play or prototype present this design, and now while use, okay, it's loading. I'm just waiting for that. Okay, I'm just waiting for that. Okay, now the user while hover their cursor above the button, the animation will look like this, and another one is this. So this way, without copy the frame, you can animate your any button by these ways. I think this will be easier method of while hovering system. I saw some of videos in YouTube. Someone show these systems by copy this frame. I think that is very time consuming. This is more easier than that. That's why I show them. I try to show the things very easy way, so that you guys can things or process or method. So that's all about my today's video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and feel free to share this video with your friends and others, and someone else. So that's all about my today's video. Thank you very much.